What's going on, guys? Michael here, 360 Digital Closing Bell, here live from an undisclosed location on this beautiful Wednesday, April 22nd. As always, I am joined by Stuart Turley, who's the director and publisher of Oil and Gas 360. He is live from an undisclosed location in Dallas. Stu, how you doing today?
I'm doing great. News desk is going crazy, man.
Oh, we will have to get updated on that. We'll also check out the digital ticker and check in out on some EIA numbers that dropped this morning at 8:30. But first, I would be remiss if I didn't say please subscribe to the YouTube channel and the 360 Digital Closing Bell, which you can check out on iTunes, Spotify. Please pause this video, subscribe. We have some awesome content coming and some really cool partnerships we are about to announce very, very soon. Also, you can check out every one of the Energy 360 Network podcasts that we put online at www.oilandgas360.com. We now have them available on an iTunes and Spotify channel. So please type in Energy 360 by Intercom. You'll check out that podcast. There's about 25 episodes. There's some legacy stuff we dropped, and we've got about 14 new episodes that we just dropped that you can also check out at www.oilandgas360.com. But as we move into the markets today, everything was green. Up day, so it was really well. It's off the back of some good news on Trump's speech last night, talking about how some of the economy is going to open back up. And that's really, SPY closed just below 2,800 at 27.99, up 2.5% today. Tech stocks doing very well, 2.8%, closing just below 8,500 at 84.95. Dow Jones closes 456 points higher, only about a 1.9% increase, 23,475. Crude up $2 from its closing price to $14. I know that doesn't sound great, but it did just close yesterday at $11. So we saw a nice $2.30 rise. 12-month strip up to 32.82, or a 7% increase. Natural gas doing well again, up 5%, or up 5% to $1.92. 12-month strip for natural gas, $2.92, or about a 0.72. So not quite as bullish as that current month contract. XOP up big. I'm taking it in the shorts on this one, up 2.8% to 44.82. It was above 45 earlier in the trading session. I am killing myself. Our OAH contract, as always, remember 20% or 20 to 1 stock split last week. So it was up 3.5% to 89.61. In terms of our biggest losers on the day, there wasn't that many. Our biggest loser was only down 8.5%. That was EQT at $14.25. Sandridge Energy came in at 8% down, all flat to $1.68. And our third biggest loser of the day down to 17 cents was Unit Corp, down 7%. Big movers on the upside though. Centennial Resources Corporation up 29% to 44 cents. Our favorite company out of the Permian, SilverBow Resources, up to $6. They were up 59% on the day. Great number. That's a $2.20 move. We love the office guys in SilverBow. And Whiting Petroleum was up 110%, up to 83 cents. That was only because they got rated as a buy target. They got their total stock purchase moved up a little bit because there's a potential buyer in the market. Remember, they had declared bankruptcy, so don't look too much into that number. They're still on list. That's you don't want to get involved with them. Buyer beware. But Stuart, you have some very interesting international news stuff we need to get to.
Oh, you bet. Hey, Michael, it's a zoo out in the international. One thing I consider California international. There's 20 million barrels parked on the outside of California right now because they can't go anywhere. You were talking about your bathtub. I got some numbers on the story.
It's still full.
Still full. How about we go ahead and buy a tanker, 17 million. Found a good one for 17 million. So yeah, let's do some ROI. If you're going to buy or store oil
how much does one of these tankers, how much oil can you store? So 17 million, we can store how much? They're like 1 million barrels though, right?
Yes,
they're like a million-ish barrels.
And it's for one of those that will go through the Suez Canal. So it is called the Suezmax.
So we'll go anywhere in the world with this.
Yeah, absolutely. Sitting on the outside. Anyway, it was kind of fun. I was sitting there really shopping the numbers on this.
I love it. So give us the ROI on it. So it's $1 million. I just wanted to know how many barrels these things possibly hold.
So if you're talking 17 million and you're talking at $15 a barrel, we would make money.
Oh, we would make a lot of money. And I've got my LinkedIn boxes full of people who are trying to pitch me storage ideas.
Okay, now,
so it's unbelievable some of the things I'm hearing that's out there from a physical side.
It is crazy. Now, we do not offer investment advice, but this one's fun.
No, and you can, and I am personally raising money for this idea. So you can go ahead and reach out to me via Venmo at Tangenius. I promise if you type in crude oil tanker and donate money to my Venmo at Tangenius, I promise you it'll all go towards us buying a 360 digital closing bell tanker, and we will ride that baby all around the country.
Not offer investment advice. We are entertainment. Okay.
No, and I would be very entertained with a crude tanker in our name. It would be sweet.
Next one, oil jumps after Trump destroys Navy to shoot and destroy Iranian gunships. There was years ago, remember that one where the Iranians took the ships not too long ago? That ain't gonna happen again.
No.
Okay. And then also Saudi super tankers stranded also.
I did see this. They called them back. They called all of their tankers back because USA say we don't want them. It's getting so spicy out there. And really my one big thing of the day was I was talking about looking for domestic oil production to drop 400,000 to 500,000 barrels this week. EIA numbers come out at 8:30 today. It was only 100,000 barrels. That's a weak number. And my one big thing is I'm now almost for proration because of that. That number needed to be way more. The market is not correcting this. I don't know why we're not seeing that number go any under. I'm almost about to flip to bullish. And I promise you, if this number next month, if we're not below 12 million barrels of domestic crude production, we're at 12.2 right now, I will vote for proration. You will get me to be anti-free markets. I promise you, because that number needs to drop more. And so that's my one big thing. Don't watch out. If crude production is not below 12 million, I promise you I might flip my vote. I promise you I might. That's about the most sacred agreement you can have. As always, remember, we kid a lot. We do not give investment advice. We just give our research because that's what we do. And we're going to let you go, guys, get back to work. Thank you for checking out the 360 digital closing bell here on Oil and Gas 360. We'll see you guys tomorrow for the digital ticker.